Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making coconut vanilla cupcakes. This is our ingredients list for making our cupcakes. So we're going to be using a cup and a half of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, a half cup of milk, and a half cup of coconut, shredded coconut. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is cream our butter and sugar. So we want to combine everything well. I'm going to be adding the sugar a little at a time in order to cream the both of them together. Alright, so I've just added the last set of the sugar. So now I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and combine. Add the other egg, and now we're going to cream this for a few minutes. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I have sped up this footage. Alright, so now we're going to add the flour a little at a time. I just added the baking soda and salt there together. And also milk. So I'm adding a little bit of flour, a little bit of milk, a little bit of flour, a little bit of milk. And that's what you want to do. So I just finished adding all of the flour there, and now I'm adding my shredded coconut. Of course, this is optional. If you don't want to make a coconut vanilla cupcake, then you don't need to add your coconut. So there we have it. Now we're going to spoon the mixture into our liners. Do not spoon it all the way to the top. So just spoon everything into your baking liners, your cupcake liners, and there you have it. And now we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Of course, make sure and preheat your oven. Now we're going to make a frosting. So we're going to use 2 ounces of butter. We're going to use 2.5 cups of icing sugar, and we're going to add that a little at a time to the butter and mix, as you can see. I'm going to add some coconut to my frosting. Just continue mixing. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. I added coconut milk to my frosting. And I added a dash of vanilla essence as well. So basically that's it. Our frosting is complete. We now want to add it to a sandwich bag. Just snip off the end of the sandwich bag so you could pipe it onto your cupcakes after your cupcake has cooled. So there it is. It's out of the oven. It has cooled. And after it has cooled, then we're going to pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes. And there you have it. Your coconut vanilla cupcakes. Enjoy!